Assalamu alaikum, students of grade 4 HIVS A and B. In this video, I will uh, show you an introduction of chapter number 1. Mainly, we uh, we will learn in this chapter how to read number till 10,000 and how to recognize the place value and value of a number, and how to recognize the missing number, right? So mm, now counting in thousand, if you see page number 2, this is the page number 2 of your pupil book, and you can see that this this 100 square sheet, this is a 100 square sheet, and this is a collection of 10 square sheet. So it makes 1,000. So how many hundreds makes 1,000? 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds equivalent to 1,000. This is a cube showing the number 1,000. In the same way, you can tell this cube represent 1,000. These two cubes represent 2,000. These three cubes represent 3,000. These four cubes represent 4,000. These five cubes represent 5,000. Now coming to page number 6, you can continue yourself. This is 6,000. These are 7,000. These are 8,000. These are 9,000. Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9,000. You can see it is written over here. And these are 10 cubes, so it makes 10,000, right? So moving next, reading numbers. Uh, I'm reading these 4 digits number, and uh, after having some practice, I will ask individually, like I did in the yesterday class. I will ask each student individually uh, to read the numbers, right? That I will write on a Word file. So I'm reading, try to understand, and you can repeat with me. So the first one is, uh, before reading the number, let me recall the rightmost digit is the represent ones. So in this number, how many ones are there? 3. The second digit, this one represent tens. So here it is a 0. So there is no 10 in this number. Moving next, 9. This is the place of 100. So how many hundreds are there in numbers? 9 hundreds. There are 9 hundreds. And in the same way, how many thousands are there in this number? 6. 6,000 are there. So now starting to read the number 6,903. I'm repeating 6,903, right? Now the second one is 9,503. Repeat with me, 9,503. Coming to the next number, number 3, 8,008. As there is no 100, there is no 10, only 8,000, and 8 ones are there. So we read it as 8,008. 8008. Moving to the fourth number, 6565. 6565. Moving to the last number, 4808. 4808. Now, moving to the next one, finding the place value of 2 in each number. So before doing this these sums, let we recall place value. See this. This is the place ones. This is the place seven. Oh, sorry, tens. This is the place for 100, and this is the place for 1000. So one, the number this 7, the highlighted one is at tens place. This 0 is at 100 place. This 7 is at 1000 place. Right? Now, what is the value of this 7? Because it is at 7th place, 1000 place, so its value is 7000. Now, this 7 is at 10th place, so its value is 70. Had it be 5, then it would be 50. If it would be 4, then it would be 40, right? So the these are the place value and value. Now, place value and value. Now coming to our exercise, place value of 2 in each number. This is 6203. So what is the place value of 2? As you can see, 2 is at 100 place. So its value will be, its place value is 100, because 2 is at 100 place. But its value is 200. I am repeating, there is a difference between place value and value. Let me ask you one question. What is the place value of 2? You should answer, place value of 2 is 100, because 2 is at 100 place. Ones, tens, and 100. So the place value of 2 is 100. But if I ask you, what is the value of 2? So you should say its value is 200. Its place value is 100, but its value is 200. Moving to question number 2. Here 2 is at 1000 place. So what is the place value of 2 in this sum? The place value of 2 in this sum is 1000. But what is the value of 2? 2000. Right? I am leaving question number 3 and 4 for you. And inshallah, we will practice more sum in coming classes. Normally, I recite dua at the beginning of the class, but I forgot. So I am reciting duas at the end of the class. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'in. Ya fattahu, ya fattahu, ya fattahu. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.